my channel and press the bell icon to get notification on further video lessons. Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today I am going to teach the first chapter from the political science, meaning and importance of political science. In this chapter, you will learn the concept of political science, the process of development in political science, and the various political thinkers and their contributions, and lastly, the importance of political science. Firstly, let us understand the meaning of political science. Political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of a man. So, what are the political activities of a man? It may be voting, criticizing the governments, standing in elections, etc. In other words, political science means it is the systematic study of government by the best scientific methods available. Political science deals with the state and government. The word state here is not about specific states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, or any other states. Here, the state means a nation or territory considered as an organized political community under a government. Political science studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. Here, what is the meaning of political institutions? Political institutions are arrangements by the government to perform particular functions for the betterment of the people and the democracy. The main subject matter of the political science is the study of state. The study of political science as a subject began with the Greeks. Though Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians, Indians, and Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thoughts about politics much earlier to Greeks, but they failed to develop it as a systematic study. Politics was given the status of an independent science only by the Greeks. Socrates, Plato, Aristotle were the famous Greek philosophers and political thinkers. Socrates and his disciple Plato were great political thinkers. Plato, in his famous book Republic, for the first time discussed the nature and functions of state and government. Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, is recognized as the father of political science for his valuable contributions to its growth and development. Aristotle wrote the first treatise in political science called the Politics. In this book, Aristotle discussed the origin, development, and functions of state. Greeks used the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word called polis, which means city state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city state and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. It was called as politics by the ancient Greeks. But in modern times, the scholars have preferred to use the term political science for this study. That means, in modern times, the scholars have changed the term politics to political science for the study. Political science deals with the study of all facets of the state because it studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, and rights and duties of the citizens. So, political science deals with the study of all facets of the state. Political science is also the study of past, present and future of political institutions, political functions, and political theories. The study of state, government, and human political activities is called as political science. In this point, we can see three important terms mentioned here: political institutions, political functions, and political theories. So, what are these and why they are important? Let's see one by one. Political institutions. What are political institutions? Political institutions are those which directly or indirectly participate either in law formation or in its enforcement. The importance of political institutions are they ensure that the laws are being followed by the citizens of the country, and it helps the country to live in peace. If political institutions will be there in a country, then there will be kind of discipline in the government, or we can say politics. They also ensure that everything is going free and fair in the country. So they are important. And now, let us know the importance of political functions. Political functions maintain integration of society by determining norms to adapt and change element of social, economic, religious systems necessary for achieving collective political goals, and helps in protecting the integrity of the political system from outside threats. And lastly, political theories. What is a political theory? It is the categorization of social thoughts, or it is the study of how we ought to organize the forces that shape our lives. So it is important to know all the working of political institutions, political functions, and political theories. Till now, we understood the meaning of political science, its origin, and the great scholars and their contributions, and the features of the political science, and the definition of the political science. Now, let us see why the political science is very important. The study of political science helps us to understand the birth and growth of a state. It means it provides the information about the type of the governments and political activities involved in the functions of the state. The second point, political science provides the information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. Here, the word monarchy means the rule of a single person who achieves his or her position through heredity. And the word good government is that processes and institutions produce results that meet the needs of society while making the best use of resources at their disposal. Number three, it provides information about the structure, means distribution of powers and functions of the state and government. Number four, it also helps to establish a modern welfare state. In the light of the past and the present activities of the government, political science helps to plan the future activities to the state. In return, it helps in establishing a modern welfare state. Here, what is the meaning of modern welfare state? It refers to a type of governing in which the national government plays a key role in the protection and promotion of the economic and social well being of its citizens. Most modern countries practice some elements of what is considered the welfare state. Number 5. Political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. Constitution. Constitution means it is the set of rules that guides how a country, state, or other political organization works. Number 6. Political science helps us to understand the organs of the government like legislature, executive, and judiciary and their functions. Number 7. It develops political consciousness among the people. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. Number 8. The knowledge of political science helps the leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. In return, it helps in raising the good leadership and good citizens. Number 10. Political science helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations, and local bodies. Local bodies means these are the institutions of the local self governance which look after the administration of an area or small community such as villages, towns, or cities. Example Panchayati Raj in rural areas and municipal in urban areas. Number 11. Political science deals with ideologies which inspire and influence political involvement of the people. What is the political involvement of the people? It means people develop and express their opinions on the world and how it is governed and try to take part in and shape the decisions that affect their lives. Number 12. Political science provides the knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. These are some of the importance of studying political science. Thus, the study of political science helps us to understand the need for a state, good governance of the state, the role of the leaders and people's participation. It helps the people to become good, responsible, cultured, and active citizens. The knowledge of political science contributes to the establishment of a just, peaceful, progressive, and a happy state, which is the dream of millions and millions of people for a long time everywhere. Hope you understood this chapter. Suppose if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can feel free to ask in the comment section. If you like my video, give thumbs up and share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.